Today we're making spicy crispy chicken burger. Take a bowl and add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of hot sauce in it. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and 1/2 teaspoon of mustard paste. Add 1 pinch of salt and mix all the ingredients well. Now take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of zeera, 1/2 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix all the ingredients. Now take a piece of breast and compressed chicken breast piece with the help of a steak hammer. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix it and cover the bowl with plastic sheet and let it rest for 2 to 3 hours. Take a bowl and add 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix all the ingredients well. Take a bowl and add 1/2 cups of water. Now coat the chicken piece with flour and then dip in water. Again coat with flour and fry the chicken. Stack burger in the following order: bottom bun, bacon, lettuce, chicken fillet, slice of cheese and burger sauce. Your spicy crispy chicken burger is ready to serve. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy!